We need more blog articles? Stat! Especially from you, Steve.
What's up, Internet? BigFoot here, Chief Content Beast. Today, I'm showing you how BrandWell shaves hours off blogging.
See, if you people just use BrandWell, we could be doing this way more often. I'm mainly talking to you, Becky. You're slower than a sloth. BrandWell drafts a 2,500-word SEO piece in 5 minutes. That's 36 times faster than Linda's record.
This is Linda. It takes her 3 days to write a single article. Yikes.
BrandWell does the geek work. Finds keywords, tweaks every header, lines up backlinks, so you just hit publish. With BrandWell on my side, I could outright 100 humans. Honestly, I could probably outright 100 humans without BrandWell, but this way it's almost unfair.
Oh, and the content beats AI detectors, so it sounds human, not robotic.
I am not a robot. Bottom line, one platform, zero excuses. Stop wrestling Google. Let BrandWell do the heavy lifting, literally.